This is Holding On Anyway. A space for the heavy days, the quiet ones, and the ones that don't make any sense. I'm really glad you're here. Hey, quick note before we start. I'm not a therapist or a doctor. I'm just a guy who's lived this, and I'm sharing my story. If you're struggling, please reach out for help. There are links in the description below. Hey there, I'm Bert, or Berchman. I want to share my story. I've lived a full life, a father, son, brother, uncle, coach, mentor, friend, and ex-husband. I helped raise 3 amazing boys into strong, independent young men. I supported my partner of 22 years in achieving her dreams of qualifying for the Ironman World Championships in Kona, Hawaii. I had built a life I dreamed of since I was young. A life I took a vow to live and I thought would last forever. But then it all fell apart. Major depressive disorder, an unwanted divorce after 22 years of marriage, a 2-year spell of chronic unemployment, 16 months of homelessness, living in my car on the edge of polite, civil society. I have lived in darkness. I have lived in silence. I have lived feeling invisible. And I have lived inside the mind most people fear to tread. And I stayed there for a very, very long time. I've learned lessons and I've paid for them dearly. I've learned more than I ever imagined possible. I am no longer the person I once was. Of that, I am certain. This channel is my way of sharing that journey. The honest, unfiltered truth about mental health, grief, giving up, healing, and rebuilding a life from 0 to 1. If you've ever felt lost, alone, invisible to others, or just need to hear someone who gets what it's like, I want you to know you are not alone. I'm right here. Like, subscribe, and share if you feel moved to. Remember, some stories aren't told to fix anything. They're told just to remind you that you are still here. And that's enough. Be well.